Alright, people. Welcome to my crib. Meet the shark. This is my favorite part.
Your favorite part is the doors?
Sliding doors. I do not think I actually give you a proper house tour. Go outside. The shower is outside. Let's go work out.
You're gonna get nice and wide for me, alright? So we're gonna get into our spot hole. Watch me first. You're gonna
Good morning. Alright, welcome to our Hawaii house. This is the view. If the exposure hasn't absolutely ruined it. What day is this? 2? 3? 3 of our Hawaii trip. And I just went down to the gas station to get some coffee. So yesterday we went to Starbucks because I was trying to upload a video and got some coffee there. But really, if you just go to a gas station in Hawaii, they have great coffee, and we're in Kona in specific, so Kona coffee at the gas station for the win for like $1. The sun isn't totally out yet, but go to our favorite food spots, so we'll definitely show you. And yeah, I cannot get over the food here because it is so good. Maybe I'll work out. Yesterday I worked out right there and it was great, but I don't know. If you saw me live streaming for an hour, I sat right there in the pool chatting with you guys. I think the best part about Hawaii is the sound of all the birds here. It's amazing. Alright, people. It's mimosa time, but I didn't get orange juice. I got POG. Passion fruit, orange, guava, juice all in one. And I think I'm gonna make it in teas. We don't have champagne flutes, so this does not seem like a bad option. You made mimosas, but I'm still on my coffee kick. I'm not ready yet. Guys, how could you not just lounge here? Okay, so it doesn't matter where we are. We pretty much are doing the same exact thing, watching Love Island, and with this view. I made oatmeal. I brought gluten-free oats from Trader Joe's with me. I usually carry those in my bag as a flight attendant, I just always have them in my bag so that I can have a quick snack. So I made those because they were left over in my bag. Because I don't really eat them at home a ton. But made that, and Marcus is making egg. Since we're all done hanging out, we're gonna go grab lunch and sushi. Here we come. Best sushi I've ever had in my life, anywhere. The spot Marcus and I like to eat, it's right there. He's walking to it. But sometimes there's like an hour wait, a 20-minute wait. He's probably gonna go get in line, see what the wait is. We said the longest we'll wait is an hour, 2 hours, prob not. Sometimes they just close after the first 30 minutes. They open, they get so many orders to last them till 3 o'clock, but then they just close. So Marcus went and they're closed to walking in orders, so we're trying to order online. He just keeps calling and it's not working out, but we're just walking around to see what's open, not open. How crazy having seen this place be multiple different things.
I know, right? It was just a cafe before, wasn't it? Alright, so what did you get?
Lilikoi margarita. So I think in Hawaii, anything that says Lilikoi on it, I'm gonna get it, because this is where it is. This is where it's to be had. So, let's try it. Yeah. like margarita. This does not taste like tahini.
Do you like it?
Right? Tahini? I don't think it's tahini on the rim.
Really?
Yeah, it's good. It tastes, did I ever say like it tastes like margarita? Without the lime bite. It has a liqueur, like it's just sweet. I don't like drinking sugar with my drinks, but here we are, so let's hope for the best. I got a massive headache. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's a tsunami warning signal going off right now. But since Marcus and I lived here, if you've seen a previous video of mine, I have chatted about like my whole life, and I lived in Hawaii, Kona, and we know that the first of the month there's always a tsunami warning.
Thank you so much. It's not real.
So it's not real.
Well, let's
but
hope it's not real.
We're sitting here like, that's the tsunami warning signal.
So what we're eating?
Teriyaki chicken skewers, and we're also looking up in Australia, Melbourne has the comedy festival, which we love, so booking tickets to that now too.
So we finally got a hold of the sushi place. And how long of a wait is it?
3.5 hours.
And are we gonna wait?
Yes, we are. You guys, we strolled through the hotel that the crew stays at, and the crew just walked by. They're taking the flight out that we'll be taking tomorrow.
So where are we going now?
We're gonna get me a massage.
Really?
You're buying me a massage,
What?
babe?
No.
Yeah. Buy me a massage, please. Look at this. It's amazing. In the comments, I want to know, do you think that's a michelada or a margarita? It's worth it. They called us 2 hours earlier than expected.
Well, it's worth it because it tastes so good, but like to the normal person, it's probably not worth it because it's such a long way.
Because we planned our entire afternoon around it.
Pretty much.
Didn't go to the beach,
It
just...
shows how much we actually like the sushi.
Yeah. In this random alley. I think we should go back because it looks like it's gonna rain. Rain clouds are coming down from the mountain.
Look at that, 4 hours.
4 hour wait. What?
That's what flight, is it?
Yeah. What kind of roll would you pick?
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, they look amazing. I think we're jumping in the pool before we eat our sushi, or I might just put my toes in. But, oh, so nice. Being back, this is seriously just a dream being here.
Feels so good.
Feels so good.
Right, just jumped in.
No.
Why do you want to watch it? Yeah?
I'm excited for the sushi. Hi you guys, it is pouring rain now, so we'll probably just camp out and watch Love Island and hopefully get this video posted to you that I've been trying to post for 3 days, but just cuddle weather. We have just hung out here and eaten sushi and Hawaiian Maui chips, and that's about it. Waited for sunset. Not really sure what we'll do this evening, but I'm sure I'll take you with us. Hi!
Hey.
This is our favorite pizza brewery, the Kona Brew. This is literally like the Kona Brew, right?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, so
It's
if
where they
you
make
get Kona beer, this is where it comes from. Okay, you guys, quickly, I'm just gonna say that we're here and I'll probably get shots of it, but I can't show too much because they're playing music.
So what do we get?
I got Kua Bay IPA, and you got something crazy. What did you get?
Some Belgium IPA.
Belgium IPA. I'm also looking forward to the wings coming. Got buffalo, but they also had fire glaze. It's tempted. Wings. Ooh, this is so much better than I was expecting.
Really?
I saw some roaches and I'm headed out.
Where to now?
You guys, proper Kona brew. Like, this is so cool. Love it.
The bummer though is that it closes like at 8 p.m.
Jojo's on vacation. Oh my gosh, I need to go to the bathroom. I need to go to the bathroom so bad. You're filming me and I'm trying to park and be responsible, and here I am. I'm gonna like forget how to put the car in park. I was genuinely worried that like a cockroach was gonna crawl on me while I was in the car. To every other girl, does anyone else come home from a date and you're like all dressed up, makeup done? Not saying my makeup's like all done or I was dressed up, but like then you just come home and you put on your ugliest pajamas that you can possibly find and you're like, that was fun. Are you filming me making cookies?
Yes.
I'm not eating gluten, you guys, I swear. No, I don't swear, because I am gonna eat some cookies and I'm gonna regret it. Alright, I do not think I actually gave you a proper house tour. This is the kitchen, okay? And this is a guest room, which usually growing up this is where I would stay. And then there's these sliding doors. All of the doors go into the walls. Super awesome. This is where the desk is, and Marcus.
Are you doing the house
Tour? Yeah.
Yeah, go to show the shower.
Restroom. Shower. Marcus wants me to show you the shower. And back over here we have another guest room. Here is the living room. And this is where Marcus and I stayed in the master. Also has sliding doors. And a view. There's a nice hammock right there. This is the bathroom. This is probably the most exciting part of the whole house. Hello. Make sure you give this video a like. Watch the shower. Okay, go outside. The shower is outside. Who has seen showers like this? Okay, ready? It's about to get loud. The shower 100% is a dream. Every time I come to Hawaii, I just look forward to taking an outside shower. And I think because of this, I've grown up with this extremely high standard for showers, like, and bathtubs, because we actually have a bathtub like this at my mom's house. But I just am obsessed with cool concept showers, or like double-headed or waterfall, and geckos. Geckos crawling all over the walls. I don't know if my lens doesn't zoom that far, but you can see the little gecko. There it is. Last night they were all nude, like on the walls to blend in, but then this is where we hung out. Most of the time you just saw me walk from the kitchen outside and to the infinity pool, to the sitting area, and to then those seats over there. So I hope you enjoyed this nice Hawaii house tour, and I certainly don't take it for granted. It's amazing. I love it. Try to come here as often as possible. Huge reason of becoming a flight attendant and flight perks is just coming here when I can. So it's great. happy that we came, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And we're headed to the airport, so I will see you on the next video for Kona to LA. Bye, you guys.